Hi my realist guys and Amanda, welcome back to my channel, Realist D. I've been away for a while but now I'm back and I'm hitting you guys with this green St. Patrick's Day look. Now I thought I would just do something on style. What's going on? I did a 4-leaf clover. And those who know me know I am not good at art, so this 4-leaf clover is. But hey, my eyeshadow look cute, my lips cute, my face is cute. So ain't nobody watching the 4-leaf clover, are they? No. So if you want to see how I created this look, then please stay tuned. First, I'm going to prime my face with my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Mattifying Base. I'm using my Superdrug gift that my friend got me because I lost my usual eyebrow thing. What's it called again? Yeah, anyway, so I'm using that for my eyebrows because I lost my original one, and when I clean my room I'll find it, but for now this is what I gotta use. So yeah, it's from Superdrug. It's like those box, you know, the box that you get and you get like lots of different makeup. I'm gonna go with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and conceal my eyebrows. Yeah, you can see my eye, one of my eyes is like really red and watery. It was itching me. I think hay fever starting now. And also, am I? I'm gonna use my brush and just blend in the concealer so it looks nice. Now I'm gonna go in with my NYX eyeshadow base in white and just put it on my eyes so that there's a nice blank base that I can add some pop of colour to it. Yeah, that's gross, my nose is running and everything. That's nasty. Sorry people. Now I'm going in with my Revolutions Make Magic palette that one of my work besties got me. Her name is Denise. Shout out Denise. Thank you. And I'm going to use that to start off with. So I'm going to go in with this kind of beigey kind of colour, and I think it's called Addicted, and base my eyelids. Yeah, eyelids. On the topic of Denise, she's supposed to do my nails for me and she hasn't, and that's why they look like that. So don't blame me, blame her, because she's my nail tech. So yeah, Denise, why are my nails like that? Next I'm going to go with my NYX NYX colour palette, and I use the green one as another kind of base green for my eyeshadow. I think maybe I should have put more white base on because the green is not as popping as I wanted it to be. It's very dark considering what it looks like on the actual palette, but I'm guessing it's because, well, I'm black. Next I go with that same palette and use the yellow, although I don't know why. Maybe to brighten it up, but yeah, I use yellow. So I'm gonna go. palette from Denise from Revolutions, whatever it's called, and use this kind of like glittery greeny colour, like khaki green colour. I can't remember what the name is called of it, but yeah. Also, I realised that my nose isn't running, so scratch that. It's a reflection from the light and the mirror on my nose. Weird, isn't it? But yeah. Anyway, so I put this on my face. This is actually eyelash glue. I couldn't find for the life of me my body glue for my glitter and stuff, so I had to use eyelash glue, and the eyelash glue to stick on glitter, and this is not eye glitter, so please only use eye glitter. I don't want no one telling me about they got the eye or the glitter. Only use eye glitter if you're copying this video. Otherwise, just watch what I do and look. Don't be copying like 100%. Do you know what I mean? When I learned to do this, I did not copy nobody 100%. I'm doing my own thing. So the glitter is actual glitter you put on paper glitter, but it's the best I had, so it's what I did. Now I'm going in with my L'Oreal eyeliner liquid ink and just lining my eyes. Usually I do this after I did my face, so I don't know what the hell was going through my head, and them eyebrows are atrocious. But yeah, anyway, this is what happens when your makeup baked out of your head. Anyway, so I'm lining my eyes, doing a cat eye eyeliner. You know what I'm talking about. You guys seen it many videos. Halfway complete. I'm gonna go in, because I'm doing this look simply purely to show you something for St. Patrick's Day, and using my good foundation. So I'm going in with my other nice foundation, which is the L'Oreal True Match, I think, and that one, it is a true match. I can't lie, it matches truly. It's really good. I'm also editing it high, so this voiceover might be a bit off, but you know, you guys love me, so it's fine. Make sure you like, subscribe and share. So yeah, I'm just literally using a beauty blender and blending my whole face with this True Match foundation. With my LA Pro Gold concealer again, and just conceal under my eyes, my nose bridge, my chin and my forehead. Basically all the parts that the sun will naturally hit, the highlights of my face. Obviously, if you do makeup, or if you've done makeup before, you know what I'm talking about, right? I'm going to contour it. Cool. Now, blending it all in with my beauty blender again. I'm using the same one because I told you my room's in a mess. I can't find anything right now, so literally I have one bag full of general makeup stuff, and that's what I'm using to do this. This is my general makeup bag makeup look. Now going in with my banana powder from Revolution and just setting my concealer. This sponge is not like a normal beauty blender. It's kind of like fluffy-ish, so it holds like all the dust. So that's how you can bake, or if they still bake nowadays, but kind of pressing the powder better on your face. My sleek contouring kit, I'm going to use a darker shade, and I'm going to contour my cheekbones, my nose and under my chin, so I have a double chin. So my cheekbones make them look higher than they are, even though they're still quite high. I also do underneath my chin to make me look slimmer, so I don't have a fat double chin. And obviously like your forehead and your nose to make your nose look a bit thinner. It's just basically enhancing what you already have, because yeah, my nose is already quite straight. It's just the end that's got the bubble bit, and I don't care about that. My face, I already have high cheekbones. It's just contouring, you know what I mean? Like, it's just enhancing your natural beauty. I'm not going OTT like some of these girls, be transforming their whole face. don't even look like the same person. They look like if they're born in the same country. Blood clot. Now, like I said, I lost my powder, which really annoyed me. Well, I didn't lose it. My auntie took it. My auntie, who was younger than me, long story short, she took my powder. She thought she never, but she did, and I knew she did. And now, I'm using contour powder that's too light for me as setting powder to brush off the thing. What's it called? The baking. To brush off the baking, I have to use contour powder because, one, I don't want to buy a new one because that one's really good and I can't remember the shade or whatever. Two, it's all I got, man. That's all I got. I don't know about you, but I always get worried that I don't blend it in properly. But I really did quite a decent job on this one. I'm proud of myself. And now I'm going to go in back to my sleek contour palette and use the bronzer brush and bronzer bit just to kind of like bronze my cheeks. I think that's what they use it for. I generally don't understand why black people use bronzer. I don't know what it is for, but I know white people use it to make the contour look more, you know, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm using the right colour for myself. I just know that I have to bronze. So, yeah. Now I'm contouring my nose because I forgot, as usual. So next I'm going to go with my Revolution highlighting palette. It's a small mini one. And I'm going to use my highlight brush and literally just go over the whole bloody palette. Sometimes I only use the bottom two, but if I want a pow look, I'll use all four of them with the brush. So yeah, and just put some highlighter on my cheeks, my nose, and my chin, and my lip. I think I put it on my lip. Did I? We'll see. And on my eyebrows. Forgot about that one. I do apologise, I forgot to show you guys what I used, but for my lips, I used my NYX NYX Velvet Matte in like a beigey brown, and then I used one that's in like a pinky brown. So I mixed those together and made that lip thick colour. Another gift for my beautiful friend Denise. She got me this Ice Diamond setting spray, and I'm using this to set my makeup before I put my lashes on. And now I'm sticking my lashes on. Now I don't stick it on the conventional way. I use something that you should not use. Now I'm going in with just a standard black eyeliner, nothing special, no special brand I don't think, and just lining my waterline in my eyes. So I'm going to go back to my palette and use that same glittery green khaki colour on my waterline at the bottom of my eyes. Here is where I made a big mistake. So I tried to draw a 4-leaf clover on my cheek, and I don't know what the hell that is, but it ain't a 4-leaf clover. But I kept it there because, you know, it's just trial and error, innit? That's life. It's realistic. This is what it really is like doing makeup for a normal person who has general skills and general equipment. This is what it's like. So that's my 4-leaf clover. I use the same eyelash glue, and I also put glitter on it. The same glitter I put on my eyes. And you know what? If I went out like that on St. Patrick's Day, I doubt anybody would have a problem with it. I think they'll be like, that looks cute. But I know for a fact it's a bit haggity. And I zoomed in to show you guys. I didn't even position the camera properly, so you can't even really see it. But I just keep it there anyway, so you know. And this is it. That's the final look. This is what I look like. And I still think, even through all the trials and tribulations of this video, I look cute. The final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope that it has given you some sort of inspiration into what kind of look you want to do for St. Patrick's Day. If you celebrate it, if you don't celebrate it, then here is a great glam green look minus the 4-leaf clover for you to enjoy. Now, I'm not the best at makeup. I am literally learning as I go along, and you probably see that in my techniques, because there aren't any. There is no techniques whatsoever. So basically, I'm an everyday Joe like you guys. So you can follow my steps and see what I do and still come out looking bam and glam without the fancy brushes, expensive products, and special techniques like cut crease and all that. I mean, cut crease is amazing, but it's not it's not like necessary, is it? Like, it's blended, isn't it? My hair is in a mess because I am not 100% ready yet. I just wanted to show you guys this look. Okay. And yeah, and so I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe and share my videos. Comment down below, please. You need to comment and let me know what you think. Good, bad, in the middle. Thumbs up if you like it. If you want more tutorials, quick makeup voiceovers. And yeah, I'm open for your criticism. Constructive, albeit, but I'm open. So enjoy, and happy St. Patrick's Day to you. Top of the morning.